Happy Mother Earth Monday, Christy here, and I have two tips today that have to do with water, one for your dog and one for you. So this is a towel that they sell in drugstores and other places that's designed to help you dry your hair. It's not very big, as you can see it folds up tiny. But if you put it on your head after a shower, it does help absorb that water, and then when you use your hair dryer, you're not using it as long, and I love it. So we use this in our household. I hope it works for you. Definitely works for me. The other idea is for your dog. So we have two dogs, and when I walk them every day, multiple times, I come in, and if their feet are wet or muddy, I used to keep towels folded up by the front door, and in the last 6 months I've used this. It's a dog mat that's designed to absorb more water, and we find that it really does. They know now to go sit on this, and then their feet, the water comes off on the mat, and I use a small towel to help dry, similar to my hair towel. And anyway, I have less laundry to do, and I just throw this in once every week or so instead of having those dirty towels all folded up by the door that I was throwing in every day. So I hope that helps. Happy Mother Earth Monday, and remember, the guru is you.